In this video, you'll see how anyone from business analysts to developers can easily scrape government and public records data using Minexa.ai. I am going to the page where the list is already showing. Now, click the Minexa.ai extension icon right there at the top. That is it. With Minexa.ai open, hit the violet button labeled I'm on the right page to start analyzing the government records list instantly. The scan is complete. The results block is identified perfectly. Nothing has been missed. At this point, select List Only or Enable Detail Pages, so Minexa.ai scrapes each record's detail page. Keep going with Continue, or choose Advanced if you need Minexa.ai to perform clicks, scrolls, or form submissions before showing results. See that highlighted section? Hit Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai automatically studies every data field on the page. Minexa.ai found every field automatically, including hidden data like dates, references, and document links from the public records. If you're a developer, click the API request button. No need to send full pages to an LLM. The template handles data extraction directly. Click Complete Configuration to finalize and save your scraper setup quickly and easily. The pagination button is detected automatically. You can change it if needed, or leave it as is and move forward. On the final screen, set how often you want Minexa.ai to rerun this scraper automatically, then complete the setup. The job is ready to go. Just click Run to start extracting government and public records data from gob.es. No bad rows slip through unnoticed. Minexa.ai flags any mismatches explicitly. Extracted data includes fields like record titles, publication dates, references, and document links for complete accuracy. Hit Export, and your complete dataset is saved to your computer immediately in your preferred format. Whatever data you see on a website, Minexa.ai can extract it. For developers, it works without token costs, hallucinations, or the need to maintain a scraping stack.